everyone, it's me RJ Shikha from Rama University's own radio station Radio Rama 90.8 FM आपका अपना FM। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि पूरी दुनिया इस वक्त पैंडेमिक के प्रॉब्लम से जूझ रही है एंड सभी स्टूडेंट्स एंड गार्जियंस के मन में एक ही सवाल है कि क्या हमें ये साल एडमिशन्स लेने चाहिए या फिर इस साल को ड्रॉप करना चाहिए। सो लेट मी टेल यू, ड्रॉपिंग द ईयर इज नॉट द वाइज डिसीजन। जी हाँ, रामा यूनिवर्सिटी कैन बी योर सेवियर। हम इस साल पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में आपके लिए बहुत सारे स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम्स लाए हैं, साथ ही साथ कोरोना वेवर स्कीम्स भी लाए हैं। तो चलिए आज के हमारे जो स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद हैं हमारे रामा यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडियो में, उनका मैं आपसे परिचय करवाती हूँ। मेरे साथ आज यहाँ पर रामा यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं डॉक्टर जनार्दन अमरनाथ पीजे सर। ये हमारे प्रिंसिपल है रामा डेंटल कॉलेज लखनपुर में। तो सर बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका। सबसे पहला सवाल तो यही आपसे बनता है कि अपने आप को आप इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए हमारे व्यूवर्स के लिए, और साथ ही साथ ये बताइए कि रामा डेंटल कॉलेज लखनपुर में क्या स्पेशल कोर्सेज हम ऑफर करते हैं।
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। आई एम डॉक्टर जनार्दन अमरनाथ बीजे, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रामा डेंटल कॉलेज विच इज लोकेटेड इन लखनपुर, कानपुर. Our institution is a 25-year-old well-established institution which was started in the year 1996 under the able guidance and eminent leadership of our late founder chairman Dr. B.S. Kushwaha sir. So our institution is recognized by UGC and Dental Council of India and also got accreditation from NAC as well. So in our institution we are mentoring young minds by not only giving them quality education through our academic programs, but also give them values Indians should be proud of. And we also wish to bring out the best in our students and prepare them to become competent enough to meet the challenges of the world. So our Rama Dental College offers the following courses. So we have a bachelor degree program, that is BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, which is of 5 years duration, and a postgraduate program, that is MDS, Master of Dental Surgery, of 3 years duration. Apart from this, we have diploma courses also in two aspects, that is Dental Mechanic Diploma and Dental Hygienist Diploma course, which span for 2 years. Then we also have a postdoctoral program, that is PhD in all the 9 different specialties of dentistry, and also we have a fellowship program in head and neck oncosurgery. So this is in brief about our college and courses offered by us.
Okay, what are the various career options that can be actually availed after getting the degree from Rama Dental College?
Yeah, coming to the bachelor's degree, after completion of the BDS, one can continue with the higher education by joining MDS in any of the 9 dental specialities. And secondly, they can start with the private practice. And if student is interested to resume education in abroad and all, the necessary help needed, that is documents and all, will be provided from the institution. And after post graduation, that is MDS, so one can join a dental college and continue as a teaching faculty, and secondly they can start a private practice, and in the meantime they can also enroll themselves in the PhD programs also, and MDS of oral and maxillofacial surgery can enroll themselves in a fellowship program in head and neck oncosurgery. So after diploma courses in dental mechanics, the dental mechanic diploma they can be joined in the dental college as a dental mechanic, and then after completion of diploma in dental hygienist, they can join a dental institution as a dental hygienist. And in diploma courses we have even government job options as well. So these are all the things after completion of the various courses in our institution.
Okay. The next question I would like to ask you, sir, why to choose Rama University? I request you to kindly highlight the strengths of our Rama University, or to be precise, Rama Dental College Lakhanpur, and also tell our viewers what makes us unique or differentiate us from others.
Okay. coming to the strengths of our institution, the first and foremost is the experienced and dedicated teaching faculty, and secondly, our institution has got a state-of-the-art infrastructure. That means all the departments are well equipped with the latest instruments and equipments as per the norms of Dental Council of India. And also we have a comprehensive course curriculum to cover all the aspects of dentistry, and all the classrooms are fitted with LCD projectors, and there is a Wi-Fi connection in all of them. And we have excellent library facilities with a huge collection of books and journals. Apart from that, we have a separate digital library section also, where a student can go and browse and download the required literature from the system. And apart from this, we organize national and international conferences, consortiums throughout the year in order to make our students updated with the recent trends and latest knowledge in the field of dental science. And we have a good hostel facilities separately for both boys and girls, with an option of gym and provision for indoor game facility as well. And apart from encouraging in academic programs, we also encourage the students to take part in extracurricular programs also. So annually we conduct sports and cultural meet both at institution level and at the university level as well. So we have a in-campus cafeteria facility where students can have refreshments, and we have in-campus medical care facility in our Rama Hospital, and the campus both in the college as well as in the hostel are very safe and secure, because there is always a continuous CCTV surveillance, okay, or monitoring will be there, so that students should not feel insecure or unsafe. And we have even a transport facility within the city limits. And one more plus point here is we have a huge auditorium with a good audio-visual system as well. And for the newly admitted students and all, we hold orientation program separately, and also anti-ragging program, and we have zero tolerance towards ragging. So that way the newly joined students should not feel any sort of anxiety or fear in mind in taking admission in our institution.
Perfect. Okay. As we all are worrying, especially the parents and the students as well, that whether to take the admissions this year or should they drop this year. So as a representative of your department, Rama Dental College, Lakhanpur, sir, I would request you to kindly assure all our viewers that here at Rama University, we are following the guidelines and the protocols guided by UGC.
Yes, definitely. Regarding taking admissions in Rama Dental College, you need not worry. So we have taken all the necessary required care and preparation for uninterrupted academics and patient care in our institution. It's been 1.5 years since COVID outbreak. We have conducted successfully the online teaching and covered all the course curriculum, and even conducted online exams as well. Once it comes to the patient treatment aspect, we have successfully treated all the patients for the dental problems by following the necessary precautions and COVID protocol. So finally, I would like to say that life journey will not be like traveling on a smooth road for everyone, because we all have come across adults in our life, and at present it is a tough time for everyone, but I believe that tough time never lasts, but tough people do. So finally, I pray in Almighty to bless all of us with the needed strength, courage and determination to reach our goals. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. For more information, you can log on to our website at www.ramauniversity.ac.in. Thank you so much.